Yay, you made it to step 2, the anchor chart, which means step 1, you watched the video about place value, you filled in the chart, which is super awesome, and you filled in the chart the two ways. One, the number way, how many hundreds, tens, and ones, and then the second way, trying to write it out, just following my example. So now for step 2, we're going to go over the anchor chart. So with the anchor chart, I'm going to explain 4 ways you can write words and with place values so you can get a better understanding. So let's begin. So the first one that you could do, standard form, is just writing the number. So 149 is your standard form. The written form is if you were to write out each number using the words. So the written form is 149. Expanded form is when you take it and you expand it into a larger number. So 149 can be expanded into 100 plus 40 plus 9. That is the expanded form of 149. Model form. So model form is just like this with the tiles and the blocks. So model form is the hundreds block that looks like this, plus the 4 10 sticks, plus the 9 ones. Okay? And then this is just the hundreds chart. So there's 100, there's 4 tens, and 9 ones. You are going to do this on step 3. I have provided an example of what it should look like, and then you are going to try it on your own. There are 2 comments. One comment is on the written form saying that you can try your best on your spelling. It does not have to be correctly spelled. Number 2, the second comment for our model, in the middle there are the squares for the hundreds, the sticks, and the little 1 circles for your ones place. Please make sure you are dragging and dropping into your model form for your number that you are going to do the same thing for, okay? And then you're just going to work through the practice problems. I will check back on slide 9. All right, good luck, work hard, make sure you are following along. Good luck.